I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, tignan natin kung anong nangyayari sa paligid. No? I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Believe in the divine timing kung kailan nyo po ito napanood. The message is meant to find you because this is a timeless reading. So, we're actually waiting for our break, no? Inaantay natin dito kailan ba natin mapapasagot siya, kailan ba natin sa atin siya, kailan ba tayo uunlad sa buhay. Marami tayong mga aspirations in life na sinasabi natin, hindi ako nawawala ng pag-asa, no? I am actually waiting for this break, hindi ko sasayangin. So you feel like medyo hindi pa natin masyadong nakukuha kung ano man ito, whether this is romance, whether this is friendship, family, career, no? Finances, financial freedom. I think that this 2026 is a good start for you. Nagtanim na tayo with the 7 of Pentacles, or we are already starting, no, magtanim. What I'm trying to say, mag-invest, no, whether this is literally investment, whether mag-invest ng time, energy, effort sa person, no. So parang sinasabi natin dito, inaalagaan ko kung ano yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Inaalagaan ko yung mga efforts ko because I want someday, no, in time, na mag-harvest ako. No? So you're expecting, syempre sino naman, nakakapagod naman mag-invest ng time, energy, effort, then sasabihin mo, okay lang yan kahit hindi naman siya maging sa akin. Parang wala namang ganon, no? Or okay lang yan, mamuhunan ako. Parang namuhunan ka ng palugi. Wala naman sigurong ganon. With the Page of Cups, your heart is actually looking forward, no? Medyo prepared ka na to get this. Kumbaga, nagpe-play na siya sa isip mo na ito ang mangyayari kapag nandito na ka sa situation na to. Ito mangyayari kapag ito na yung business ko, ito na mangyayari kapag na-achieve ko na, ito ang mangyayari kapag kami na. So, you're well prepared. Meron kang mga future plans, no? Once you already step into this dynamic. With the Star, ganun, I think like kung this is a, sabihin nating pangarap, noong pa to bata ka pa. It may be, a career, it may be a bahay, no? Again, tulad ng sabi ko, pwedeng ito'y tao na noong mo pa gustong maging kayo, or kung tao man ito, no? Noon mo pa gustong maging maayos, no? Yung samahan ninyo. One thing's for sure, you want an upgrade with the energy that you are holding on to. Pwedeng wala pa, pwedeng, hindi mo pa na-experience nga in this 3D, pero buong-buo na siya, no? Sa puso at isip mo. With, ito ang gusto ko, 9 Nine of Pentacles. This is actually a harvest, happiness, no? Ito yung parang nako ha, sandali kasi wala yung um Eight of Pentacles. Nagtanim ka, nandun ka na agad sa harvest. So nasan yung tinatawag nating action? Yes, marami kang plans. Probably you're already exerting effort. Pero is your effort enough for you to gather, harvest this energy? The Six of Cups. I think that you failed on the first attempt. So, kahit na hindi natin nakuha, nandun pa rin yung hope natin that someday, one day, that you and this energy will meet again. What I'm trying to say, meet again, is, makadao pang palad mo uli siya, magkasalubong sana kayo, uli, no? Mabigyan ka uli ng second chance or another opportunity, and you're going to make things right. I think na ngayon alam mo na yung gagawin. Kasi na-feel ko agad na may kulang. And the Six of Cups give us the confirmation of we already jumped into something really great without exerting a proper effort. Effort is good, but does that effort needed? Let's say, nagtanim ka. Alam mo naman na dapat na merong sapat na sunlight, may sapat na tubig, no? Sapat na fertilizer or kung ano pa man yung pwede makapagpa-enhance, no? But then again, alam mo yung dapat gawin dahil nadong ka na agad sa ani, hindi mo naisip na baka merong mga peste, no, na mga insekto. So you're well prepared for what needs to be done, pero yung mga complications niya, yung mga pwedeng mangyari, I think that is where nagkulang tayo. So yung mga insekto then, hindi natin na-harvest. So, nasayang nga yung effort. Pero ngayon, since you already have an idea what is about to happen if in case, no? So, nandito ka na sa prevention is better than cure. So, ngayon hindi mo nahahayaan mangyari uli etong mga nangyari before. Well, at least that's good, di ba? Natututo tayo from our past mistakes. Ang mahirap dyan, paulit-ulit mo ginagawa, wala kang natututunan. That's something, may mali na sa'yo, di ba? Pero as long as meron kang natututunan, as long as somehow this is still a harvest, di ba? It might not be a harvest of the energy that you're wanting for now, but this is a harvest of knowledge, a harvest of wisdom. So, if you're going to look at it in a different perspective, ika nga ni Miss Catriona Gray, no? If you're going to look on the silver linings, ayan, meron ka natutunan. It's not a loss. It's somehow a win. And that actually learnings or wisdom that you picked up from the past actually prepares you to do more, to do great, to do what is right for you to get it, no? So baka hindi lang din ito timing, hindi ito proper timing nung mga una mong nakita, no? Or baka kapag na-experience mo ito a little early, baka mas malaki ang impact ng pagkasira. So, the Queen of Swords, now we're prepared, now we're ready. Ngayon, parang sinasabi natin, hindi ko na bibigyan pa ng chance, no? Na this energy is going to slip in my hand again. The Magician, the Ten of Pentacles. So, apart from preparation, I think that apart from knowledge as well, you're geared up. Siguro mas pinaghandaan mo through, it can be bumili ka ng mga equipments, no? You invested in yourself as well. This is also a self-reflection wherein sinabi mo na I cannot blame someone, no? I also have contributions why these things happen to us, why these things happen to me. So, nandun yung accountability, nandun yung sinasabi nating naninindigan ako na kaya kong itama ang aking mga pagkakamali, no? With the Hermit, and ito yung sinasabi nating wisdom, no? Ito yung sinasabi nating once you already had it, once you already gathered, no? Your harvest, pangmatagalan na to. I think that this is more of panghabang buhay kasi the Hermit is it takes a little time or more time for you to become a hermit. Kakain ito ng panahon. So, siguro, no, kung titingnan lang natin ito in a different way, baka nga, kung na-experience mo to a little early, baka mas malaki nga yung damage, no? Kung na-experience mo ito a little early, baka hindi mo na-sustain. I think that the universe has their own way to say you're very prepared, no, to actually handle the situation well, handle the situation better, handle yourself, no, well, bright, and actually with logic. I think that in the past, puro emotions tayo. So now, you have to claim this kasi sa'yo to, no? Parang hininog ng panahon. So, congratulations. This is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. If this is a person, pwedeng lumabas ang kanyang sun sign or a placement sa kanilang chart, or pwedeng lumabas ang zodiac sign nyo. By the way, bago yan, let me know kung kayo naka-resonate. Ngayon, kung meron po kayong mga personal questions, there's actually a link sa description box. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Aquarius, Cancer, Libra. Yan. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.